We certainly fight that battle frequently, particularly in our online parts website. OEM, we know that they are going to last. They give a 1-year parts warranty with it. It is designed for that machine. We're not going to have any type of electrical problems. You may not have, who knows if it could create electrical shorts or fires or feedback that could damage the machine. But more importantly, you got a peace of mind that it's been tested, life tested. If you ever go to the factory, you'll see that they will life test all their parts and have a quality review process with all of their suppliers to make sure that they have specifications they live up to. When you're buying that part, maybe it's coming from China, there's maybe no quality control on it, you don't know what you're getting, and the price reflects it. So, not saying that you can't buy some decent parts that are non-OEM, but you're certainly taking a risk. And we knowing that we only supply OEM parts that the manufacturer says they've been tested and that we get a year parts warranty on it. It's worth it to us to only offer those parts. We do offer some generic parts, so we are aware that cost is an issue to maintain it. We can't offer a warranty with it. We can't offer any guarantees with it. Our experience has been, particularly on some of the lower end parts, that you're not talking hundreds of dollars difference, you're talking tens of dollars difference. It's worth it to us to have a part that we know we can give to you that is going to work, that isn't going to fail and cause a problem, because in the laundry, people want to know that their machine works. When they turn it on, they don't want to have a problem. Whether you're a hotel and you've got a full house that weekend and now it's Friday night, and guess what? Now you're having to take it to the laundromat or you're having to work overtime. Whatever you saved on that part is now gone out the door, right? If you're a laundromat owner and you've got 50 machines and you don't mind 1 or 2 going down, then yes, we've got some generic parts for you. But again, having that year parts warranty that you can feel comfortable that we'll have that part replaced immediately for you and get you up and going as quick as possible. We rarely see those parts fail within a year, so we know that it's not a big issue with factory authorized parts. That's what we recommend. But again, fully understand the desire to keep your costs down as much as possible, but what is the ongoing cost that you may not think of?